Nigeria guys, why una we because me I be Nigeria also. Why una dey behave somehow? How you expect as a man you give woman belle, you just carry am come Germany make e come camp? Fine, I will say you follow am come na different case. Nigeria guys, abeg una in the name of God, you pregnant woman let am born or you follow am come dis Germany. If you want to say maybe dat pikin say na your own, person you give belle say carry am come Germany say na dat pikin no be your pikin, na God go punish your mouth make you talk am because no be your pikin. You pregnant woman finish, you carry am come Germany make you come take for aduro. As I dey talk to you, the woman and the belle people go dey fuck am join am. Dat kind thing good? Nigeria boys and Nigeria girls, most the girls now dey talk to. Which life be dis one? Benin girls, Urhobo pipu, Ishan, wetin happen? Mostly Benin pipu, my Benin pipu. Come here, I be Benin. Dis thing una dey do na curse, una dey curse una sef, una dey curse una life, una generation. Na dey even dey curse una baby make dey belle because who pregnant you different. You go come Germany for camp, Gambians go dey fuck una with belle. Some Nigeria boys go dey fuck una with belle. Abeg una dey curse una sef, una dey collect curse for una life. After you get problem tomorrow, you say life don dey hard you, you go say na your mama na do am or na your papa or na person na dey worry you. But you no know say na you use your hand take cause wetin dey worry you. Dis one na life. Abeg una just properly manage. I just come outside by myself come talk dis thing. Una may be Nigeria boys. If una pregnant woman, abeg make e stay for where you dey before she born. Woman go new born today, from next week you go start to dey fuck am. Na today na dey scratch una. Na today dey scratch una. Abi e get the kind curse make dem curse all those Benin girls. Me I be Benin person, but wetin I dey see for camp, no be dis thing e dey make me dey shame. Gambians dey fuck Nigeria girls with belle. Even we Nigeria boys still dey fuck our own girls with belle. Dey make get belle don reach 8 months, 7 months, 6 months. Dey still dey, you go sleep for, you go comot for a camp, a room, go enter another person room for Germany. Which kind life be dis one? Abeg una, dis thing no good for here. At least you want to do something, fair born first. No go dey curse your pikin for inside belle. No go dey curse am. Who give you belle different? Who you dey fuck different? You no go fair born first. Wetin dey happen for Germany? I never see dis kind thing for life before. Wetin just dey happen for Germany? Wey be say girl, small pikin, small girls, small rat to carry belle. So you say wey your husband say e dey Italy. Okay, normal issue. But bene, from there you go see Gambia dey fuck dem for €5 with belle. Dis one na life. Abeg, make una share dis thing. Who go fit talk to dem make e talk to all those small girls, all those Nigeria girls. We dey shame for Germany for here. We dey shame. E dey touch me because na cause dem dey cause their pikin make dey inside belle. Dem dey cause their life. Dem no know. Mostly all those boys wey una dey do am so, dey fuck another person wife make e get belle. Belle don reach 7 months. You go think say you dey do am. Your life go come dey miserable. You go dey pursue better thing comot for your body. You no go know. Dey make you dey go back. For you to dey go forward, you dey make you dey go back. You think say na you dey enjoy yourself. for you to dey fuck woman make your new born today this week before 2 weeks of it you don dey fuck am. My sisters and my brothers, if na so wetin dey happen for Germany, una no go expect say na this kind thing na im dey happen. The thing I don too see. I come say make I come talk am for WhatsApp, make I send am, make I share am for people. Make una still dey share am dey go. Abeg, anybody may be say e know say e get sister for Germany, sister get belle, make e draw her ear, make she born. If you wan do anything, you fit do when she go don born, don dey okay. If the man say no get husband, no know who give am belle. No be say you know who give you belle or you no know who give you belle. You come Germany, you come still dey sleep with Gambians people, me no dey baff. You stand with Gambians, you say, Nigeria girls, no, we fuck them every time. Can you imagine wetin dey happen for Germany? My eye no fit talk am, I don tire. I no know wetin I wan talk. I dey cry. They dey disgrace us. Benin girls, mostly Benin, my people. Now they tell you, so I be Benin. My people, they dey disgrace us for Germany. Na Dortmund I dey stay. Dortmund Ebanov. Now for the talk this thing so. They dey disgrace us. Wetin they do for Italy? You go see do am with respect. Go do am for outside. When you don born, you don dey okay. That one na normal. Why are you disgracing yourself for when you have a baby? Eh? You are pregnant. You are disgracing yourself, fooling yourself, killing your baby in your womb. Eh? They destroy your baby life. Put another sperm, they join sperm, may don enter your body. Even though say you don't know who give you belle, can't you respect yourself? Yeah? Don't tire. I don't know if I go talk. I beg. If this thing fit reach Nigeria, reach Edo State, make it reach am. Make it reach our urban Benin girls. Mostly my people, Benin people, my people, mostly them. You see what they do, they useless their self. They cause their life. They cause their baby. God. I beg. I just pray to God. May God forgive them. Because they don't know what they do, my sisters and my brothers. Who carry wife come Germany? I happy for you. Now God will bless you for you to come with your wife. Because you be like you know what they happen. Fine. Who send his wife and his pikin come? The woman don born before she come carry pikin come. If the woman dey fuck, because you no fit tell me say your wife dey Germany, say you dey Italy or you dey Switzerland, say your woman no dey fuck for here, say you carry pikin come. She dey fuck. I dey see them, all of them for here for camp. All of them dey fuck. All of them na Ashawo, they fuck everywhere. Gambia dey fuck them. We dey see them. You maybe say your own wife see come alone. You dey Germany, you dey Italy, you dey France. Notice say na only you one. Na dey fuck and see your woman. If you proud for outside, say your woman dey Germany, say she never fuck, say she dey tell you never fuck. Now God go punish your mouth. Now God now go punish your mouth. Now that your mouth go bend. And if that woman tell you say she take come Germany, say she never fuck. See Ogun back in Agbe. Now Ogun now go kill that girl. Now God will punish her mouth, bend her mouth, go throw away am. Because she no fit tell me wetin I dey see for this Germany. You understand? Normally, now men dey travel. I no know wetin come cause am for our own girls come dey travel. You see small 17, 18 years. Carry belle. Fine, they carry belle. Fine, no problem. Everybody must born. People. But why? Why do come dey fuck people dey join that belle? Person dey fuck you join belle. Wetin? I don tire for our girls, our Benin girls. I don tire. Wetin my eye dey see, I no fit talk. Urobo people. Urobo girls. Ishan girls, Benin girls, mostly Benin, my people. Now they tell una so. My brothers and my sisters, una see wetin dey happen for here. Una no go fit stay Germany. Now the shame. If you come outside, people they tell you say You dey see them. I just go my friend house, go greet am. I reach there. Those girls, me, they get belle, they just dey inside. Every day they always dey there. Me, I no send. So na so result of me, my brother, they just dey fuck that one. Who be that one? So Benin girl. I was so ashamed. Say, Benin person like me. Who give you belle? You no know. Even though you know, fine. Who dey fuck you? Na different person. Those one good. E no good for here o. The Nigeria people now dey disgrace una self. Girls. Because I no go talk to boys. I no go talk to the boys. Na girls. Small girls. Just dey disgrace. Whether they don't get own children, whether they na village. Na village. Therefore, bring all those girls come. And una may carry all those girls come for past Libya. Carry come for Nigeria. Go tell them say na the carry they come Igbo land there. Una may carry they come, na Ogun na e go wish you. Na Ogun na e go kill una. Na don't come useless all those small girls life. You carry 22 years to come, you see they okay. 23 years, 24 years. No be 16, 15 years old. They come and they go carry belle for Italy, for Libya. They carry come. Which no problem, everybody must born. But now they come here now. Gambia, they fuck them join belle. Burkina, they fuck them join belle. So Nigeria people, Nigeria boys, they know the rule and the regulation. They know say na cause that they collect. When they do all those things, they see they fuck them join belle. This kind of thing good for here. My brothers, my sisters, see good. I beg, if you get sister for you or you get wife for here, call her, draw the ear for her. Tell her make it stop if they do am. Because this thing will affect you, maybe your husband, may give am belle. If it don't affect you today, it will affect your pikin. If it don't affect your pikin, it will affect anybody. You see Jamie for here, all of them are single mother. No husband. All of them, single mother. No one follow the Benin girls. Single mother. You single mothers. I say that they fuck them with belle. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? They just dey disgrace everywhere. They don't spoil Italy, cast Spain. They want to come see cast this Jamie. Cast everywhere. I be guy and I mean they talk this thing so. I beg una. Na Dortmund Ebanov now for they talk this thing. I beg. Make una talk to una sisters and una friends may dey Jamie. May carry belle come. You may get sister for here, talk to them. Because what she they do for here, if you dey here, you will by yourself deport una too to go Nigeria. Understand? Because if I tell you what they happen for here, you know believe me. Our girls they disgrace yourself with Gambia boys. With belle, they fuck. Person day maybe say your newborn this week. Tomorrow you start to go Gambia person room. You go dey fuck am. If your newborn, they carry pikin, they go there. You will sleep for inside your bed. You dey hear person they cry, they fuck. Person me newborn carry pikin go. E good for you marry or na marry or one year do. Na marry or gbe wa wo me. He veer ba o. Because of all those girls, they are disgracing themselves. Now God, now he will punish all those people. Now God, now will see save una. Now no rest for this man they do so. Now see the way God will take punish you now for life.